Once you've started creating a new document, adding in document bleed is pretty straightforward and pretty easy. When you're in the startup window here and you're choosing the artwork preset, bleed option is basically on the right hand side of this column here. This is where you can pick how many mils of bleed that you want in the document. When you're starting off a new document, for example, this is just an A4 print document in CMYK, we are going to send this to a professional printer to get printed 500 copies. Maybe it's a birthday invite card on 300 GSM paper. We're going to bump this bleed up to 5 mil because that's what the printer has told us they need for the print ready artwork. So we're going to hit 5 mil bleed to this document setup. Once we hit create, the document that will be created will have a red outline on the outside edge of this artboard. The red line just basically indicates this is the bleed setting for the document, which will be sent to the printer once you've exported it as a PDF. So once you've exported this as a PDF, the document will export the blank white canvas plus the red edge. So this whole document plus the red edge will be exported. So it will be slightly bigger than what you see on the screen here. This is a document that has 5 mil bleed. If you've created a new document, say for example, we get out of this and we just create a new document from scratch and we forget to add bleed, for example, the way to add in bleed after you've set up a document is you just go to document setup and you can choose your bleed settings here. The chain icon just keeps all of these values aligned, so we're just going to do this on all 4 sides and do, let's just do 3 mil bleed. And just hit OK. So you can see that 3 mil is a little bit shorter than 5, but you can see the difference. So when you do draw shapes and whatnot, that is the absolute edge that this page will be printed at. When you are creating a new document, you do choose between different color spaces as well. When you do click on a new file and create something from scratch, the color space that you choose is pertinent to what the output is. So if this is a printed document, CMYK is the most important mode to choose. This will be colors that are more suited towards commercial printing and even your home printer. If it's an RGB, this is more for designing something for a screen. So let's just say we hit CMYK with 5 mil bleed, so this is perfect for a printer. Hit create. You can see that CMYK is at the top there and you've got your bleed. So this is the perfect print ready document to get started with.